angels. Yay, you did it. Oh, oh, push! Oh, boom! Push! Make angels. Angel can't finish her legs.
Okay. What's that?
Car.
No, that's not a car. What is that? Yeah, a fire truck. What are those?
Car.
No.
Shoes.
What color is it?
It's
Red.
not green.
You say
Red.
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 You say red. Red.
What is that? A baby?
Baby. What color?
Yeah, it's green.
What are those?
Peas.
A frog. Is that a baby? You say baby.
That's right.
What color is that?
Yellow.
You say yellow. Say yellow. What is she holding? Toes. Her toes aren't yellow. What's she holding? What's the duck say? What's that?
Quack, quack.
Banana. What's that? A ball. It looks like a ball. It's a little chick. Look. What color is that? Blue. What's that? Yeah.
A bird.
You say bird? Bird.
Bird.
Eyes. You have eyes? Where are your eyes? There they are. Orange. Can you say orange? Oh, what color is that?
Purple.
Can you say purple? Oh, there it is. What's that? Bee.
A bear.
What's a cow say? Moo. What's a sheep say? What's that for? That's for cars. Oh, what's that? Say milk. There you go.
Milk, that's right.
Milk. What's that?
Kitty. What's magic words? What do you say? No, please. Please. Where's your man? There you go. Feed the fish. Ah.
Everywhere. They're the tracks of the Yeti. Oh, for goodness sake. It just looks like somebody was stomping. They are Yeti tracks, Tasha. There's no such thing as
Yeti, 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 yeti. Oh.
Boom. Do again.
You do it again? Keep going, baby. Keep trying. Keep going.
Boom. Almost.
You want me to get it?
Yes, push it down for teacher. Push it down to teacher. Start. Hit it.
Not hard, TJ.
Don't hit it so hard.
Hit it easy so he can hit it too.
Hit it, Rob. Hit it.
There you go. Hit it.
Come here, hit it. Hit it that way. You have to hit it. Hit it. Hit it. This hand. Gotcha. making Mom laugh. He's trying to do it. He's sticking his tongue out. Hang on. Hang on. Come here and get the look on his face.
Oh, I'm getting it.
Hang on. Hang on.
What are you doing? No, don't drink it. Yuck. It's yucky. Yucky. Ugh. He almost dumped it on the floor. Woo! Here we go. Keep your face in, oh bubbles. Keep facing. Rylan, what does the tractor say? That's right. You can't dance in the tub, silly. No. Here. You're gonna fall. Boat? Yes, it's a boat. Hey!